update on another breaking news we're picking up this morning from JNK, wherein an LET module has been busted by our forces in Budgam. 5 terrorists have been arrested in the anti-terror operation. Several arms and ammunition that have also been recovered. Also being told that this group was involved in providing logistic support and shelter to active terrorists of proscribed outfit LET. Now, Zeenat continues to be with us. Zeenat, more details on since when were these operatives working out of the Kashmir Valley and what more details have followed up?
The LET module that has been busted by the security forces in Budgam district of Central Kashmir. 5 associates of Lashkar-e-Toiba have been arrested. They are actually from Budgam. Self-incriminatory material that have been recovered from the possession includes 28 live rounds of AK-47, 1 magazine, plus the posters of LET. The material have been taken into custody for records and also the investigation and to probe their complicity in other terror crimes. As per the police records, that the police claim that the arrested person were involved in providing logistic support and shelter to LET terrorists operating in the area, and these terrorists itself were active in the area for the last few months. In fact, the FIR has also been registered, and now the investigation in the matter is in progress.
And Zeenat, we have been picking up several such incidents, not just operatives such as these who are now assisting terrorists and helping them out, but we've been seeing what Pakistan's tactics have been. Just a few days back, we'd also broken a story of how Pakistan yet again has been trying to drop in arms and ammunition via drones. So those are the terror plots that the Indian Armed Forces constantly busting.
Oh, absolutely. We have been seeing the way Pakistan is fomenting trouble on ground by sending armed terrorists as well as ammunition, other things that have been recovered time and again from the encounter spots. Whether we talk about the recent encounter in South Kashmir where M4 carbine was recovered, and that was with the Jaish terrorists. In fact, there had been a number of incidents where also you can see the medicines that have been recovered from the spot that had the marking. In fact, the arms and the ammunition that was recovered were having the arms this making of Pakistan. So this is not a hidden fact that the Pakistan tries to foment trouble. In fact, if you go to the statements that were given by the GOC 15 Corps, or we talk about the Jammu Kashmir Police Chief, where he's saying that the only person that is not happy on earth to see Kashmir normal is Pakistan. Because whenever Kashmir turns to be normal, something comes, whether it's the encounter, they try to carry the attacks on security forces, or they try to abduct civilians. And when police investigates the matter, it's always the Pak-based terror outfits that are behind those crimes. But as of now, we talk about the encounter is on, and simultaneously, the Budgam police have busted a module of LET where they have arrested 5 associates of this very outfit, and from their possession also the ammunition, arms and other things have been recovered.
Oh yes, important developments taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. On one hand, we have an encounter underway in Sopore in which 2 terrorists have been gunned down already, and LET terror module that has been busted by our security forces in Budgam. Zeenat sharing all those details. Thank you, Zeenat.